Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Hey guys, it's Robert from the College Investor here, and today I want to talk to you about some tools that you can use to find out how much your house is worth. So home prices are fluctuating more than you would ever think. Algorithms are constantly chewing through mountains of data and spitting out home values all the time. But at the end of the day, it's always what a buyer will pay for your house. But today, I want to show you some tools that you could use right now to catch some of the results produced by these algorithms, and hopefully they will let you see how much your house is worth in real time. Now, while these are not 100% accurate, because like I said, it's only what a buyer will pay for it that matters, these online tools still do a good job at giving you an idea of your home's value. And the more data they can pull about your house, the more accurate the estimate will likely be. Now, why does this matter? Why do you care? Well, for many Americans, your home is probably your most valuable asset. And at the same time, you might want to know if you have equity in your home or if you don't. And you might want to be able to refinance your home or tap that money with a HELOC or using an equity-based system like we talked about a couple weeks ago with Point to be able to tap some money and get that out of your home. But you need to know what your house is worth for any of that to happen. So I'm going to show you today 4 different tools that you can use, and we'll kind of talk about the pros and cons of each. Now, the first one is Zillow. Zillow is one of the top real estate websites out there, and they have a feature called a Zestimate that provides you with an estimate of your home's worth. All you have to do is type in your address on Zillow's homepage, and it will find your home and display everything it can pull about your house from various data sources. It uses all this information to create your Zestimate, which is free. You can log in and see what your house is worth right now for free. And if you claim your home, you can actually edit the details, which could impact your Zestimate. For example, maybe there is a missing bedroom or the wrong size square footage, or the bathroom count's off. Well, once you complete these updates, the Zestimate will recalculate using the new information, and you can see what your home's worth. So something to check out. If your Zestimate or your Zillow listing is wrong, go in and edit it, and you can get a new Zestimate to see what your house is worth. Another popular site that has been grown and become more popular over time is Redfin. Although their services are not available in all areas, you can sign up and get an email notification when it is available in your area. If it's available in your area, you simply type in your home address on their homepage, and if your home is found, you'll be brought to an estimate page. On that home estimate page, you can click on your address, and this will bring up another page that lists all the details about your home, including historical estimates, which could be cool to see the value of your house changing over time. And similar to Zillow, you can update this page in the home facts, but you'll need to claim it as the owner. And there's a big red button on that page that you can't miss that allows you to do that. Trulia is another real estate site that offers estimates of your home value. And while there is some variation across these different websites, you're going to find that their estimates are fairly close to each other. Also, getting estimates from all the mentioned sites in this article will provide you with an accurate estimate range. Okay, so back to Trulia. Just like other sites, you can type in your address on their homepage, and Trulia will search for your home. And once it's found, it's going to present you with a detailed page of your home, including an estimate. In comparison to Zillow and Redfin, Trulia's home details are lacking. The page includes many photos of other homes and square images with a link to the map view, schools, crime, and other areas. You can claim your home as yours, but it has to be off market, and you have to create a Trulia account. Once you claim it, you can edit the details and all the same stuff as the other sites. Finally, there's Realtor.com. Realtor.com is another popular real estate site that is available across most of the United States. This means the majority of homeowners should be able to find their homes on this site, and you just simply type in your address on the site's homepage again. Once your home is found, you can click its pre-populated address to reach the details, and the estimate is clearly displayed on the details page. Besides the basic home facts such as size, there isn't much there. One of the reasons why the home detail page doesn't have much info is because Realtor.com Zillow.com wants you to connect with an agent. In fact, on the right side of the page, there's a box to fill in to get in touch with my local agent. If you click on My Home in the top menu, this will bring you to a page where you can enter your home address, and from there you'll be presented with a graph showing the historical estimate, which is a little more useful than the initial home view. From this page, you can also sign up to receive email alerts of your home's estimate changes, but you can do that same thing on Redfin and Zillow as well. So, getting an estimate on your home is a quick and easy process. You can get more accurate results by visiting several websites and also by making sure that your house is claimed and all the details are up to date. This will give you the most accurate estimate. You can then take that estimate and use it to see if you have home equity. Maybe you want to refinance, and maybe you could use that as a tool for the future. All right, well, hopefully that gave you some tips and tricks on how to find out your home's value. If you like this, please subscribe. I really appreciate it, and leave me a review in the comments. I appreciate it, guys, and I will tune in next time. Thanks.